Length. What is length? Length is the measurement of something from end to end. Length can be measured using uniform informal units. Examples of uniform informal units include die, paddle pop sticks, blocks, and paper clips. You can also measure length using your hand span. My hands are uniform because they are the exact same size. Now, let's try measuring length. Out of these 4 measuring units, we have to decide which one will be the most appropriate to measure the length of this toy car, from end to end. We could use a block, but it looks too big. Maybe the paddle pop stick, but that's too big also. How about the paper clips? They're smaller, so they seem to work well. And just like the paper clips, the die help to give a more accurate measure of the length of the car. So using these measuring units, we can calculate that the length of the car from end to end is 2 paper clips or 4 die. Now, let's try another activity, comparing the length of 2 separate objects. Let's measure the length of both of these cars, the Barbie car and the racing car. The racing car is 1 big block and 1, 2, 3 smaller blocks. And the Barbie car is 1, 2, 3 big blocks and 1 small block. So the calculated lengths are Barbie's car 3 big blocks and 1 small block, and the racing car 1 big block and 3 small blocks. Now for another fun activity on length. Can you help Grace and Paris work out if their race is fair? They're both going to start at one tree, and the first one to touch the tree in the middle is the winner. But what is the best way to measure the length from each tree to the middle tree? We can measure the length using a paper clip, a paddle pop stick, or possibly feet. Measuring the length from Paris's tree to the middle and from Grace's tree to the middle, both 13 feet, making it a fair race. Measuring length is so much fun. I hope you have learned a lot. Now try some activities on your own. Good luck!